forgot I have to record. We're in Ikseong-Dong. Ooh. I'm excited. Bread. I love bread. And then we can sit down. 네, 감사합니다. I'm gonna cry. How many phones in here? 아, 네.
사진 찍으시고 혹시 프레임 필요하십니까?
아니요. 네, 감사합니다. This is the only thing I eat today, just bread. I ate this, and I thought it was pickled radish. It's pickled onions. Spit it out immediately. Not because I hate pickled onions, but like I didn't know. Pickled onion here? Yeah. Wow. I hate it so much. 감사합니다. Picture time. Beep. Yum, yum. Yum. It was so nice. They put in here that it's sour. No, wait, I don't know. Oh, nice. Oh, disturbed from slumber. Oh, hello. Disturbed from slumber. Oh, hello. You in your bed? Oh, huh. Look at him drilling. Oh my god. We just came back from the cat cafe. Now we're gonna go eat tacos, and we're in Apgujeong. First we went to Ikseong-Dong, and then we went to Myeongdong to try to buy winter coats, but we didn't buy winter coats because they were too expensive. So now we went to cafe, and now we're in Apgujeong. Ain't that right? And I'm hungry. I'm so excited. Me too. So excited.